Good day, ma'am. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am. I'm Abigail de Vera Resuello. I am 33 years old, high school graduate. I'm married. I have 3 kids. I have experience in the Philippines, 2 years and 4 months.
Tell me about your responsibilities in your previous job.
My duties and responsibilities as a helper, take care of kids.
Can you tell us how you take care of the children, a baby, and elderly?
I will take care of them by cooking food and make sure that they are healthy and clean.
Please tell us some of your skills.
I cook Filipino food, but I'm willing to learn to cook Chinese food.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
I am necessary, working hard, honest, taking care, baby as my own children.
Anything else you want to tell for your future employer? Can you tell them now?
Madam Sir, choose me as your employer. I promise to finish my contract of 2 years, and as long as you need me, I work for you. Thank you and God bless you.